Auto Snap. The 2025 Twin Turbo C8 Z06 has taken the automotive world by storm, blending groundbreaking performance with stunning design enhancements. As Chevrolet's flagship in the Corvette lineup, this model represents a significant leap forward in technology, speed, and innovation. For enthusiasts who crave the thrill of power and precision, the new Twin Turbo C8 Z06 delivers an unforgettable experience. With this addition, Chevrolet has managed to elevate the Corvette legacy to unprecedented heights. At the heart of the 2025 Twin Turbo C8 Z06 lies its twin-turbocharged Vate engine, capable of producing an astounding 850 horsepower. This powertrain sets a new benchmark for the Corvette lineup, ensuring unmatched acceleration and top-end performance. The integration of twin turbochargers marks a shift in Chevrolet's approach to engineering, prioritizing both power and efficiency. Whether on a track or cruising the open road, the C8 Z06 offers a symphony of raw power and mechanical finesse that few rivals can match. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the design of the C8 Z06. This model boasts an advanced active aero system that optimizes airflow for maximum downforce at high speeds. The aggressive front splitter, larger rear wing, and reimagined side intakes contribute to the car's enhanced stability and cornering capabilities. These features not only improve performance, but also gives the C8 Z06 an unmistakably bold and aggressive presence on the road. The meticulous design is a testament to Chevrolet's dedication to creating a car that balances beauty with function. The chassis of the Twin Turbo C8 Z06 has been refined to handle the immense power under the hood. Chevrolet has introduced upgraded suspension components, including adaptive dampers that adjust in real time to deliver unparalleled ride quality and control. Paired with lightweight wheels and high-performance Michelin tires, this Corvette achieves a level of handling that inspires confidence even in the most demanding driving conditions. Advanced braking systems featuring carbon ceramic rotors ensure that stopping power matches the car's impressive acceleration, providing a sense of security without compromising performance. Inside the C8 Z06, Chevrolet has crafted a cockpit designed for both luxury and performance. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather create an atmosphere of refinement. The driver-featured layout includes a customizable digital instrument cluster and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with enhanced connectivity features. Bolstered sports seats offer exceptional support during spirited drives, while creature comforts like wireless charging and a premium audio system ensure that long journeys are as enjoyable as they are thrilling. In terms of technology, the 2025 Twin Turbo C8 Z06 is equipped with the latest driver assistance features. Advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera provide an added layer of convenience and safety. Additionally, Chevrolet's performance data recorder allows drivers to analyze their laps and performance metrics, making it a favorite among track enthusiasts. These features underline Chevrolet's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology into its high-performance vehicles. One of the most exciting aspects of the C8 Z06 is its accessibility compared to supercars with similar performance levels. While offering jaw-dropping speed and capability, the Corvette retains its reputation as a value-packed sports car. This makes the twin-turbo C8 Z06 a compelling option for those seeking a supercar experience without the exorbitant price tag. Its combination of affordability and excellence has always been a hallmark of the Corvette brand, and this model continues that tradition with pride. For 2025, the twin-turbo C8 Z06 isn't just a car, it's a statement of intent. It challenges the boundaries of what a modern sports car can achieve while paying homage to the Corvette's rich heritage. With its unmatched blend of power, precision, and style, the C8 Z06 is destined to leave an indelible mark on the automotive world. Whether you're a longtime Corvette fan or a newcomer to the brand, this car promises an exhilarating experience that will keep you coming back for more. Auto Snap. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of cutting-edge automobiles.